love shout out to all Lalabs Lin O and Saling Pilino. Mega love shout out. Check muna tayo ng ating restaurant. Sabi, you take your break already? You break already? Not yet. Son? exam for tomorrow? Exam? What is one? Bacteria, botany, biology, other? Study biology? What is biology? Meaning of the biology. What is biology? Study of what? Study of life. Bacteria, human being, everything, huh? Yeah. If you see anything there, there's life, it's life, bio. Life. Living things, human things, study of life. Study of geology. What is geology? Ash. Study ash. Study of? What is?
Geology.
Yeah. Study of?
Plant,
Study of earth.
plant,
If you see any here, there's some of science that you need to study. Subject, right? So I will review you. Even this one, you need to know what is this one, what is how about astrology? What is astrology? Study of what? It's a type of divination of days on earth. Like astronomy, you go to outside in the university. How? So good luck for your exam for tomorrow. I hope you review when you come in your school. Don't forget to pray before you take the exam. Akin mga lalabs, maraming salamat sa pag-support sa akin at sa hindi nyong pagsawang pag-support kay Lalab Lino at saka Lalab Sally Tribino. Maraming salamat mga kaboss dyan. Andito lang ako sa gilid kasi ako ay nagla-line check. Okay, so what is one? So, see, I told you because this one is study of plants, people, animals. Yeah. So, what is science? Tell me, what is science? This one is a system of knowledge about the physical, the chemical, and the biological universe. And also, it's the things that occur, and it's called science. In Arabic science. What is Arabic in science? I don't know. But it's also science is nature also that can explain or what? Or there's a lot of objective or that all scientists or something like that need to observe the basic of nature. It's called science. I don't know. That's only based on my study before, because I believe that all living things here is involved science. Huh? Bagi. Sir? So tomorrow, what is your exam? It's all about what? It's about biology. Oh, good luck. Your scores what? What's the exam? Biology?
No, that's in biology.
I was?
Exam tomorrow. Bacteria
Bacteria.
and virus.
Bacteria and virus. You have an exam for tomorrow it's all about bacteria and virus. Why?
هذا لازم معلومة بكتيريا لازم فيروس.
So tomorrow is your exam for bacteria and virus. So you know what is bacteria and what is virus? Tell me if you have any idea.
Bacteria.
Okay.
بكتيريا هذا كله.
كله. Virus is virus.
فيروس كورونا فيروس.
This one also means bacteria is free living cells that can live inside or outside in a body. If you touch this one, you have bacteria. We have bad bacteria, we have good bacteria. Bacteria, virus can kill people,
فيروس ما في سمسم.
it's very dangerous. That's why we have virus. What virus? Before coronavirus.
فيروس هذا
Virus, even you itching, even you coughing or something. Virus. Because if you eat something, you have a good virus.
في good virus في no good.
Same bacteria.
Good virus
Yeah, exactly. I agree with you. Because bacteria, this is not good, But
في good في not good. هذا good موجود الحين داخل كله في موجود بكتيريا.
Because this one, this bacteria is what you call this one. I think it's a probiotic bacteria, probiotic. This one is health benefits, and also you can see this one in where? In the probiotics, where you can see this, you can find this one, probiotics. Example like what? Example here is a yogurt, and this one which we call is a bacteria. What is what we call the bacteria? This one is called friendly bacteria. So we have a food supplement, right? That's why sometimes we cannot say, this is a bacteria. Ada muscular. Mafi. What you eat? You have some good side effect, right? Probiotics, everything like this one, you know. Even probiotics. That's why we have so in the Philippines we have a yakult, you know. Okay, kabachon. Diba?
This.
Tama? That's why sometimes the bacteria cannot cause harmful. We have harmful, we have no harmful bacteria. Again mga kalalas, maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. And thank you for your all support mga kabastian. Mga lalabs Lino, thank you. And Sally Tribino, maraming salamat. Thank you again. And have a good day. And advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And welcome na natin yung 2025, malapit na. Pagkatapos, birthday na ni Lalabs Lin. Oh. So magpaano na kayo dyan, magparami kayong entry. Diba? Tapos invite nyo lahat ng mga kaibigan nyo, mga mama, papa, friends, relatives, para marami tayo. Kapag marami, mas enjoy, excitement, diba? Again, thank you so much. Bye-bye, Lalabs. Bye-bye sa lahat sa inyo. Thank you.